So what I heard here as an evaluation was already good. You should do it more, then you will be excellent. That is what I think.
他说，各位现在做的都很好。他说，可是如果说你常做这个动作，常做这件事的话，大家的评估会更好。
So, my summary of the evaluation is both teams played 6-0. Number one.
他说，第一个，他的见解是两支球队都是用那个60的防守阵势。
Especially about Croatia, it is very much surprising because Croatia is a typical team who plays all the time 3-1. But in this match they played 6-0.
他说很令人惊讶的是，克罗埃西亚其实是一个传统的3-2-1的球队，可是这场比赛他们采用60的防守阵势。
But we could see that's why some people they thought maybe they played 4-2 or 5-1. We could see that they played this 6-0 in variations.
他说，这就是为什么有些人会看到4-2或者是5-1的变化，因为它其实是从60延伸出来的。
Slovenia, for example, played 6-0 relatively offensive, and number 4, for example, he played all the time very offensive. And why? Because he wanted to cover and he wanted to stop the center back from the team of Croatia.
他说，其实相对来讲的话，斯洛维尼亚他其实常常是打60的方式，但是他的60的方式是有一种变化的。他的那个中间的那个 center forward， 他其实center back 不好意思是中后方的那位球员，他其实常常就是对于那个克罗埃西亚的球员去顶他的做那种动作。
Yeah, and it is clear because Duvnjak is one of the world best players from number 5 from Croatia. They wanted to cover him. That's why number 4, yeah, in the 6-0 was very often very offensive.
他说，这就是为什么斯洛维尼亚的4号球员会盯着克罗埃西亚5号，因为克罗埃西亚的5号球员是全世界最好的攻击手之一，最好的射手之一。
And it is also clear in the 6-0 defense that number 2 and number 5 are very often very offensive because left back and right back of the opponents they are good shooters. So that maybe somebody thought it is 4-2. Both again they played 6-0.
他说很多时候呢，你也会看到2号跟5号球员站出去用比较侵略性的防守。他说，因为对方有很好的射手，所以很多时候大家会误解说他们其实是在做4号4-2的防守，但是这个还是60的防守，只是60的防守的变化而已。
Opposite to Slovenia, which played 6-0 relatively offensive till the 9 meter, Croatia played more defensive.
他说是就不像那个斯洛维尼亚常常就是60的阵势，而且大概在9公尺线上。他说那个克罗埃西亚比较不常做这样子的一个阵势。
And the difference was that Slovenia played more fairer than Croatia. Already in the first minute, Duvnjak got 2 minutes, you could see he was very tough. That is typical for Croatia. They are very tough and sometimes unfair players in the defense.
他说，那个克罗埃西亚可以很明显的见到，就是他们在比赛的时候，他们肢体的那个冲撞是比较明显的，所以一开局的时候就有人就是已经就是拿到那个就是2分钟被禁2分钟比赛。他说，因为他们的习惯就是比较肢体上面动作比较大，比较激烈。
So in relation, maybe one thing is that Croatia was very weak against right back left-handed player. He could score many times.
他说这个原因可能是因为那个什么克罗埃西亚在防止对方的那个什么 right back 右后方的那个后卫的动作，因为他是个射手，所以他们的动作会比较大，也会比较激烈，然后影响他。
On the other hand, Slovenia, because they played the 6-0 very offensive, they were weak from the wings. Croatia scored many goals from the wings.
他说，根据上半场来讲的话，你会看到就是斯洛维尼亚的那个防守，它的缺点就是因为他的那个2号跟5号打得比较积极一点，所以他的2个锋翼那边会比较弱一点，所以你会看到克罗埃西亚会在2端那边会有得分的机会。
Okay, for the fast breaks, I think in these teams, high-level handball, both teams were not very good in the fast breaks. If you see after 10 minutes, the result was 4-6 for Croatia. And from 6 goals, they got 4 goals as a fast break.
他说可以看到，说在比较高层的比赛的中啊，那个什么对于快攻的防守其实都不是很好的。他说你可以看到，在大概10分钟的时候，克罗埃西亚的6分里面有4分是快攻得到的。
After 7 minutes, they come now to Slovenia. I come to Slovenia, fast break behavior. After 7 minutes, it was 4-2 for Croatia, and there were 3 fast break goals, yeah, for Croatia.
他说在7分钟的时候，克罗埃西亚有4分，其中有3分都是快攻得到的。
That means both teams are not very strong against fast break.
他说其实这样就可以很明显证明说，2支球队其实对于那个快攻的防守都不是很有效率的。
Okay. Only one point is maybe in the last 5-8 minutes Slovenia played not anymore 6-0, they played 5-1.
他说最后一个点就是可能最后
Of the first half, yeah. 5-6 minutes first half, they played 5-1.
在那个什么第一节的最后的大概3到5分钟的时候，他们有稍微改变一下阵型，改成5-1的防守阵势。
Okay, so this was my summary. I have a question to you.
他说这是他的总结。
In the halftime, it was 18-13 for Croatia. The end, it was 31-30 for Slovenia.
他说上半场是18-13，下半场最后的结局是31-30，斯洛维尼亚。为什么斯洛维尼亚会逆转？你觉得为什么斯洛维尼亚会逆转？
What is the reason? You're saying, if you want to say, what is the reason? If you can say it, then please. What? Mentality. Maybe. I don't think.
Yes.
I don't think. See, Slovenia and Croatia are 2 countries from Yugoslavia. I don't think that is meant. Maybe a little bit. Maybe you are right. It is motivation, but I think there's another reason.
他说他们比较没有什么就是世仇的关系，所以这个比较没有什么太大的问题。然后也许是其他的问题。
What do you think?
节奏。One person say tempo, the other person say physical strength.
Who said physical strength?
Here and here.
Physics. Not for basics. Please tell them. I'm 100% convinced because I saw the second half. It is physical basics. Croatian. The reason is that the Croatian players had a worse preparation in physical basics than Slovenia.
他说，以他的个人的见解，他100%敢确定说，克罗埃西亚的球员他们在体能上面的训练跟体能上面的准备没有敌对那么好，所以他们到下半场的时候就明显的就是体能上面有下降。
From the reputation, Croatia is much better than Slovenia.
他说，光照2队的名声来讲的话，克罗埃西亚其实是应该比较厉害，而且厉害很多。
But Croatian players have one weak point all the time. They are lazy. They don't prepare well in the physics. So that was an advantage for the Slovenian team.
但是克罗埃西亚的球员也都是众所皆知，就是他们很懒惰，而且都不会去就是在体能上做太多的准备。
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you to you for your attendance.
然后谢谢大家今天出席。
For your attention.
谢谢大家今天
And I finish now the lectures in the morning. We have 12:30, and I would like to see you at 1:30 here again.
他说我们今天就暂时上半场的这个课程先告一个段落，我们在1点半的时候再回来再继续下午的课程。
Okay, thank you very much.
谢谢大家。